from our Panasonic campus, Munich. Let's experience rugged devices for the healthcare industry today.
MobiMed and Toughbook have created a system to measure and share vital parameters to help patients in the fastest way. It's connected and always ready when needed. If, for example, a patient suffers from cardiac arrest, a 12-lead ECG can be taken and sent to the hospital in real time. MobiMed also helps to localize the right hospital. Paramedics have to prioritize and help the patients that urgently need advanced care with technology that won't let them down.
Very impressive and important technology. Experience it yourself and visit us in Munich.